One of my passions and one of my deep interests is in looking at this theme that we live in a living universe. And if you look at the frontiers of science and what science says about the nature of reality in the universe, it's pointing in the direction of the universe as a living system. And if you look at the furthest reaches of the world's spiritual traditions, they too point in the same direction. And I'd like to speak to this for just a minute because it's so fundamental to what we are looking at here. Physics has been just undergoing a revolution in the last generation or so. Niels Bohr, the father of quantum mechanics, said, if you're not shocked by what you find in modern physics, you don't understand it. There's recent research that has been done. This is extraordinary. This is stunning finding for science, and it is that 96% of the universe is invisible to us. And what science has come out with a high degree of confidence. They're now saying that there's two forces, dark energy and dark matter, and these two forces constitute 96% of the known universe. And we here are the 4% left over. Now, another way of looking at that is that here we are, 4% of us is here, but the other 96% of us is invisible. Once again, this is older knowledge. The American Indians talked about 3 miracles. I love this. They talked about the following 3 miracles. First miracle is that anything exists at all. Second miracle is that living things exist, plants and animals. And the third miracle is that living things exist that know they exist. They know that they know. Now, we tend to get lost in that third miracle and say, wow, that's amazing. We human beings have the capacity to know that we know, and we forget not only that second miracle of plants and animals, but more fundamentally, the first miracle, that there's anything here at all. And that's what we're talking about. A new kind of science that appreciates the fact that there's anything here at all. So how we see the universe around us, is it alive, is it dead, is fundamental to our path into the future. And once we make that choice, dead or alive, we can step down and say, well, if it's alive, I'm going to make a choice for reconciliation. If it's alive, I'm going to make a choice for a higher sense of life purpose. If it's alive, I'm going to make a choice for that I have an identity that goes beyond this physical body to that of a cosmic being. I'm going to make contributions to the whole universe.